Hi guys, today I am going to tell you about a technique in which you can combine sheets of an Excel book. Most of the time, and today I receive a mail from a boss, and he was saying that I want to compile these 13 sheets in a single sheet and have to do some work on different columns. Like there are different things you can choose about your work what you are doing. Okay, so there were around 13 sheets which he wants to compile, and I don't have a time to pick and choose. It will create a lot of mess and as well as my time wastage. So I'm going to tell you about a technique. How can we do that with just one or 2 minutes? Okay, going into let me tell you again. You have to go into data, get data from the file where you have placed it. I have placed it over here. By importing this, here we go. You have to click here and then load. That was it. Oh, that is wrong. That is wrong. 21 rows, impossible. Okay, let's edit it. I have double click on that. You can do it. Okay, so here we got so many things, but you can filter it out which sheet you want. Okay, you know that which sheet you want. You have to just filter it out. Okay, I have selected 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say I need these 8 sheets, nothing else. Okay, I will just keep these two columns which I have selected and then remove other columns. Okay, now what you have to do is use original column name as a prefix. Here you go, you have got all the data available here. Now you can filter it out or you can use it accordingly, whatever you want, which column you want to uh, you want to uh, you want to delete or remove, or whichever you column you want to be present in over here. Okay, that's all from my side in this video. One more thing, let me tell you one more thing. You can remove this column. Okay, and whatever you want, what data you want to keep and what data you want to just delete, you can remove it. Okay, nah, that's all. And then let's say I'm going to close and oh sorry, I think the data has been uploaded, if I haven't done any mistake. Yes. Okay, last time close and load, just you have to do this, and this is loading. You can see earlier it was just 21 rows, now it is 17,393 row. I have got all the data in my sheet here. Now I can play with this data, whatever I have to do. There here you can see there's a mistake, or there is in conversion that there was date in original sheet. It has been converted into digits, which we can change also. Okay, here you can see that if we just filter out the null. Oh sorry, I'm working on occurrence. Yes, if you will filter out on null value, and you can load more, and if there is anything else. Okay, occurrence, I don't want occurrence and null value. Okay, actually there was the text involved in that column, so that's why it has picked the wrong format. Let's try it now. Now it's loading. That is loading. It's too much. You have to wait. 70, no, no, no. Okay, 70,377 rows has been updated, and that's it. You got the data. Now you can play with the data. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata.